Hi guys, how are you doing? Yes, you, how are you doing? I hope you're popping. Are you popping? I hope you're popping. You are popping. You are my popping queen. I appreciate you guys. I told you guys your girl is back. She's back. Alipearl. Okay, you guys, Alipearl sent me this beautiful, most gorgeous, most beautiful wig ever. This wig look ready from the pack. Look at the front, okay? Look at the front. It's pre-plucked, okay? And I have to create middle part. So beautiful. Thank you, Alipearl. I love the hair so much. I love the front. I love the hair texture. And I know I'm gonna be poppy, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. As always, I will put the link to Alipearl hair in the description box. You guys need to be thanking me. You guys, I always bring to you guys beautiful wig, okay? And yes, I always bring you guys popping wig. This wig from Alipearl is beautiful. Okay guys, like I said, link to Alipearl hair is gonna be in the description box. Look at that. I love it. Pretty hair. So sitting pretty, okay? Sitting pretty. Ooh, that's it, baby girl. Let me apply my lip balm from Benefit Cosmetic. I love this lip balm. Sometimes when I film, I always forget to use lip balm. And my lip just look dry, very dry. Now my lip is popping. My lip is popping, okay? So I'm gonna do my makeup, and when I come back here, she's back. You guys, Alipearl hair is the bomb.com. Look at your popping queen. I am popping. I am slaying. Nobody can tell me nothing. Like, look at me. Look at your popping queen. Oh my God. Alipearl hair, thank you so much for sending this wig. I'm going to be rocking this wig only on Christmas Day. I lied. Only when I'm going for a date. That's when I'm going to be rocking this hair. Like, look at me. No baby hair, nothing. And I'm slaying. So beautiful. I love the frontal. Like, Alipearl hair, thank you so much. Like, girl, I am popping. I am feeling myself. Nobody can tell me nothing. Guys, like I said, link to Alipearl hair is going to be in the description box. Like, wow, I am popping. You guys, make sure you comment down below. Let me know if this hair is popping. Let me know if I'm slaying. Let me know if I look cute. I am popping. Wow, I love it. Love, love, love it. I can't stop looking at myself on the monitor. Love it. Okay, you guys, Beauticianchic lashes number 27 is popping. It's giving. It's giving what it's supposed to be giving. It's popping. It's giving. It's giving what it's supposed to be giving. Okay, you guys, Alipearl. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't stop looking at myself. Okay, but thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notification. Your girl is back. I am back and it's about to be popping. Okay, I am back and it's about to be popping. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna do makeup tutorial because I know you guys are gonna be like, this look is giving. Okay, I'm gonna do makeup tutorial for you guys. Just makeup. Okay, sometimes I'm gonna do hair and makeup, and sometimes I'll do just makeup. I think I'm gonna do just makeup more often so I can just go in on the makeup. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. Love you guys. Link to Alipearl hair is in the description box. Beautiful hair, beautiful, soft, nice, everything and more. Bye guys. Mwah.